Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we've been seeing these last, 4 or 5 sessions is, we saw the break from congestion, um, and it's run quite a bit. We had 3 solid days down, and then for the last 4 sessions, we've really been consolidating around the 100-day exponential moving average, which is the yellow line there. Consolidating with it being basically support, because you've seen these dips below on each day, and it's creating that trend line that you start to see at times when you're getting ready to go on a very protracted lower Bollinger Band ride. The lower Bollinger Band now has been involved for the last 7 sessions. We do continue to consistently close, though, above the 100-day exponential moving average. So the first thing I'm going to be looking for today is, can we close again above the 100? So far, the low, Globex low is 71.5, a couple handles above. So, the bears haven't given that up, or the bulls, rather, haven't given that up already. I have always laid out in times when the bears have struggled that there are always very specific criteria that the bears would have to follow in order to turn things around. Well, now the shoe's on the other foot. We have to talk about that with respect to the bulls. The first thing that the bulls have to do if they want to turn things around is to keep the entire day, Globex, RTH, all the way through the day, they have to keep it inside the bands. They have not been able to do that since before the break. So far, so good. Lower Bollinger Bands down here, it is declining to meet that trend line right around the 1760 area. So the bulls have to keep things inside the bands for a day. The second thing, and the much more complicated thing that they're going to have to do, is they're going to have to get back to the 50-day exponential moving average, the red line, which should prove to be resistance on the 29th. They're going to have to get above it and close above it in order to have any chance at the real test, which is the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, the middle band. Now, I'm not saying they have to close above the 50 today, but what I did say 2 or 3 sessions ago is that if they were unable to get that back within the next 1 to 2 sessions, then they were going to be in, serious trouble. And what I mean by serious trouble is, we start to go and see over time some of these deeper fib retracements. The first one is down at 1737. So the bulls are really running out of time if they want to have some kind of a V bounce sustainable rally. Okay? And since we are below the middle band, and we've been consistently below the middle band, I remain in sell rallies mode. I'm in sell rallies mode until the bulls show me that they can maintain a rally. And the way they do that is, the next one of these big ramps that we get, let's look at a 15-minute chart. They get the ramps, okay? Here's a 15-minute chart. And this is the trend line we've drawn. That's the 64 lows. That trend line had been resistance. Then it was broken in Globex early Friday morning, retested, and then we failed down to the 61 halves. So it was a nice little trend line, long and short. We then rallied back within a couple handles of the line late on Friday, only to have that rally sold. So it is still a two-sided market. Two-sided markets, they tend to stay two-sided markets, like I said last week, because unless you're being really greedy, everybody can make money. In this kind of volatility, everybody can make money, whether you're a confirmed bull, a confirmed bear. Just don't be greedy and pick your spots. What we're seeing in the overnight tonight, though, is a series of lower lows. Here, and here in the Globex. So the bulls are going to have to break that trend. But you can see in looking at this chart why I'm still sell rallies. So it's still sell rallies till we don't. You've got the criteria laid out for what the bulls need to do, and we'll see how the day goes. But everybody have a good one. Follow me on Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. It's Monday. Good day to start a trial with the chat. Come trade this stuff with us. We'd love to have you. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.